Antivirus Protects Online is a participant to the Amazon Services LLC Associates Program and Affiliate Advertising Program, which is designed to provide an aid for the websites and earning an advertisement fees by means of advertising and linking to Amazon products. This website is an antivirus buyer's guide and not considered as advice. The information, ratings, trends, and reviews expressed on the site are the sole discretion of Antivirus Protects Online. The website is strictly for research and informational purposes only. We do our best to keep all content up to date and accurate, but cannot guarantee it due to the constantly changing antivirus landscape. In order to keep this website free to consumers, we receive advertising revenue from some of the antivirus companies. Features: powerful, lightning-fast antivirus, protects your computer from viruses and malware through the cloud. Webroot scans faster, uses fewer system resources, and safeguards your devices in real time by identifying and blocking new threats. Identity theft protection and ANTI phishing. Webroot protects your personal information against keyloggers, spyware, and other online threats and warns you of potential danger before you click. Password manager. Secure password management from LastPass saves your passwords and encrypts all usernames, passwords, and credit card information to help protect you online. System Optimizer, a privacy protection and system maintenance tool that erases past online activity, including browsing history, cache, and cookies, while reclaiming hard drive space and improving performance by deleting unnecessary files. Webroot scores 95% of the internet 3 times per day, including billions of web pages, files, and apps to determine what is safe online and enhances the software automatically so you don't have to perform any time-consuming updates. Our cloud-based antivirus software scans faster, uses fewer system resources, and safeguards your devices in real time by identifying and blocking new threats. Webroot protects your personal information against online threats and warns you of potential danger before you click. Installs in seconds and with its rollback technology automatically returns infected device to their original state.